Do you want to make kimchi easily at home? In this video, I'll share my 5 secrets to make good kimchi quickly. As the Hungry Gopher videos have over 5 million views on YouTube, my kimchi heroes share their kimchi success stories over 580 times on this simple kimchi recipe. I made this video to answer your kimchi questions so that your kimchi adventure will be fun and easy. So let's get to it. Kimchi secret number 1. Do not sterilize your kimchi jars. The beauty of lacto fermentation lies in its resilience. If you follow my recipes and kimchi tips, there's no need to sterilize your kimchi jars. Also, airlocks are a waste of time and money. I lived in Korea for the first 26 years of my life and have never seen a single family who sterilized their kimchi jars. Also, I've been making kimchi on my own in my California kitchen in 15 years, and I've never had any problems due to this. That said, using clean equipment and clean jars are recommended, just like cooking anything else. Kimchi secret number 2. Avoid oversalting. Oversalting is a downer. I know how you feel when this happens. How do I know? Because I failed 3 times when I started making kimchi on my own. I was so heartbroken, it took me a couple of years to give it another try. One way to avoid this is to practice the golden rule of cooking: taste as you go. When salting and brining is involved, always taste as you go. This way, you'd notice before your vegetables get too salty. If you're new to kimchi, this can be a little tricky. This simple kimchi recipe video has step-by-step visual guidance to show you exactly how to check for optimal salting level. My kimchi fans rave about how this has helped them so much to get their kimchi success. Check out the simple kimchi video recipe at 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝙏.com. Kimchi secret number 3. Start with an easy recipe so you can build up your kimchi confidence. Look at it this way. Think of kimchi making as learning a new language. If I'm going to teach you Korean, I'm going to teach you Korean ABCs first, not giving you my favorite Korean novel. Right? Right. The same principle applies to make kimchi and cooking in general. Start with a proven, easy recipe first. The trick is to try something simple first, then build up your kimchi confidence. As you make more kimchi, you will get better. Then you'll understand the concept of fermentation. Then you'll no longer need a recipe. That's when you become a kimchi master. Now that's pretty cool, huh? Follow the link below or in this video to get the rest of my kimchi secrets. Celebrate who you are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.